Think about the last conference you went to or the last time you saw someone speak on stage or in a training video. The mere fact that they were on that stage signals something, if only subconsciously. This person is important, and I should pay attention to them. The same is true when your favorite celebrity, and yes, famous business leaders speak up. You assume that because these celebrities have clout, what they have to say is important. Maybe even more important than what someone else might have to say. And although these celebrities have opinions on topics that interest you, and might even have some expertise around these topics, if you're not careful, you could find yourself attributing too much value to what they have to say. This is called the authority bias. It's the tendency to overvalue the opinions of an authority, especially if they're discussing something you don't know very much about. We know that just because someone's an authority in one subject doesn't necessarily mean that they have expertise in all domains. And yet, your brain forgets that. And so you might be fooled into assuming that someone you admire or place in a position of authority must have special insight on a topic. You might believe that their views or statements have more validity than they really do. Again, a great example of this is celebrity endorsement. An actor, singer, or athlete might excel in their domain of entertainment or sports. But that doesn't mean that they know anything about politics, climate change, or which beauty product will cure your rosacea. And yet, we all tend to give those endorsements and opinions a whole lot of authority. How do you bypass authority bias? First, do a bit of research. When you hear somebody talking about a subject, check to see if they have any background experience, education, or actual authority to speak on the topic. Another strategy is to check your reaction. If you find yourself really looking up to someone, make a point of actively evaluating your assumptions about their authority on a topic. In a group setting, be sure to weigh the opinions and suggestions of everybody according to their merit, not solely based on a person's rank or their popularity. You can do this by asking follow-up questions to try to understand how someone came up with a suggestion or strategy that they're proposing. Listen. It can be hard to keep an open mind, but with a bit of vigilance and active attention, you don't have to give up your power to make rational and effective decisions.